इन्नमा यअमुरुकुम बिस्सूइ वल फहशाइ व अन तक़ूलू अलल्लाहि मा ला तअलमून।
बेशक वो तो तुम्हें सिर्फ बुराई और बेहयाई ही का हुक्म देता है, और ये कि तुम अल्लाह की तरफ ऐसी बातें मंसूब करो जो तुम नहीं जानते।
इन्नमा यामुरुकुम बिस्सू, he actually ordains you, he commands you to whatever is evil, wal fahsha, what is sinful, wa an taqulu ala Allahi ma la ta'lamun, and he also commands you to say something about Allah what you not know, without any knowledge. And it has another meaning also, to ascribe to Allah something about which you have no knowledge. That Allah has declared this thing to be haram, whereas we don't find anything in the Quran or in any